Hey guys, welcome to another video of Run Adventures. Today we're going to be unboxing the Garmin Edge 1040 Solar. So let's get right into it. Alright, so inside the package we get the Garmin. It's really slim. So they make the 840 and the 1040. Both could be solar, and they both charge off of USB-C. The only difference is the 1040 is a little bit bigger. Okay, so now going into it, you have a metal on the back. Created 840 is plastic. And then all around right here, this is all a solar panel built into the Garmin. So inside of the box, you also get different ways to attach it and to attach it to the bike. Or that's what this is. This is like, you can like make it taller or anything like that. You get your charger. You get a little case for it. You get the mount for it. And then you get another mount for it. This one's just a little bit shorter than this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the case onto it, and then I'm gonna power it on. Okay, so now that the case is on, let's power it on. So when you first power it on, it will show Garmin, and it says it's at 80 or 68% right now. And then it'll ask you some questions on it. So it'll say English, and then it'll ask for the phone to connect to the Garmin mobile, which we'll do really quick. So you can either hit continue or you can skip it. Okay, so you have to hit all of them, and then it'll say connect to find it. So it found ours already, so we're gonna hit connect it. Allow. And connect them. Boop. Bluetooth them. Now they're connecting. And then it's just gonna ask him some questions. Okay, so then you're gonna choose your cycling types, because everybody does different things. So we aren't gonna do indoor. We're gonna do some road and mountain, but we're gonna do very little road, but we're still gonna do it. So, and then you're gonna do which sensors do you ride with, using this information. And then you're going to want the location. Which we can do that later. Allow it to access your calendar. Allow call log. And then it'll ask you to allow, and hit sync now. You're gonna let it finish. Okay, so now you've finished it. So now that you complete it, I don't know what to do. Oh, here we go. Okay, so that's good. Would you like to connect to sensors? Ooh, hold up. Skip that one. This is just like a warning thing. Okay, so now it will tell you road or mountain. And so when you scroll down it, it has like your, oh, here's something. So you could do like your profile, your, down here you have buttons. So swipe up. Oh, so you have these right here. This tells you like your weather and stuff. All through here, you can swipe back up. So going back to this is your navigation. So your north, south, east, west, your training, history, notifications, and weather unknown. You can go down here, and then you can move these around, or you can add stuff. And you can do the same thing with the road. So that's about all for this. So now let's go over to the bike and let's go attach it. Oh yeah, and about attaching it, we have a different thing, because the ones that these have, they don't have the piece to put a GoPro mount onto it, or GoPro onto it. So we have one that attaches to your stem to attach to that and attach to a GoPro. So let's go hook that up. Okay, so when you're putting on the, what's it called? When you're putting on the Garmin thing, since we're attaching it up to the handlebars, or right above the handlebars, to the stem, you're gonna want to loosen all 4 of them, because if you leave one, you don't want all the torque on just 2 of them. So we're gonna end up loosening all of them. So let's here, loosen them. So that one's loose. So the top 2 are gonna have to come out, but the bottom 2 will stay in. You are gonna, if you do get the new kit, it will come with new screws, because the screws that are in it won't be long enough to fit the new Garmin GPS in the mount to it. So you are gonna have to take those 2 out. It'll always be good to keep in case you get a new bike and you want to be able to move them. So let's take the top 2 out now, top 2, and we'll start to install that. So if that one doesn't come with new washers, this one does come with washers, and those will be good to keep. Okay, so inside you'll get your toolkit, and it comes with these black things in them to put onto here if you need them. And then, so this is the piece that you're gonna attach right here, and it goes just like this, right here on your top one. and it'll just like sit here. Okay, so you put one on just to see how to do it. So what you do is you have, in the thing, you'll have a spacer, your screw, and a washer. So you'll put the washer on first, and you'll put this, and then you'll put it through just enough, and then you'll put your spacer on, slide it back a little bit, and then you'll screw it through. It's here. There we go. And you'll screw it through. So now that we're going to be screwing it back on, one thing that you're going to have to do is when you screw it on, you don't want to tighten them all down through. You want to hand tighten them first, and then you want to tighten them down diagonally. So if you're doing this one, you want to do the diagonal to it, and then you'll go either top or to the right or left of it, and you'll do it that way. So that way they all get done evenly, since these are carbon handlebars. Okay, so now that those two are done, we're gonna start off with this one. So you want to go diagonally, so then you'll go down to this one. Wait, oop, I might have tightened that one a little too tight at first. And you just want to go diagonally to them to make sure that you get them all and to tighten them. With the way this one is, you might, if you want to attach a GoPro to it, you might want to add a extender to it right here to get a better view of it, which you could buy off of Amazon, but just don't get the plastic ones, because we've learned that they break. If you guys haven't watched the antennas falling off, or the or it didn't fall off, but the razor one broke in our razor. So you just want to make sure that you get the good metal ones. So now that's on. Oh, one more thing I didn't show you guys on this is that if you want to charge it in through USB-C, there's this little metal thing. You just pull it, and then you plug it in right there. Okay, and that's what you're gonna do to attach it. Is you're just gonna turn it sideways, and you're just gonna twist it on, and you'll feel it pop. So that's what it looks like with it all popped on. And then to turn it on, there's a tiny button on your your left side. You'll click it, it'll do its thing. Garmin logged on 65. Okay, so once you get it on, let's see, the case is weird. But once you get it on, it should just start charging automatically. So it does everything. And as long as it's connected to your phone, it should do everything. So like, no matter like what way you turn it, so let's say we're north right now, and then if you turn it that way, northeast, east, so it looks like it tracks pretty good. And then you could, it's here, and then hold up, let me go back and show you guys that. See, where's the back arrow? No, where's the back arrow? I want to go backwards. Oh yes, but here's the solar power it's using, your location, your speed, but here's, it shows you your grit. It's here. And if you tap on it, you could, but if you tap on it, if you want to go back home, you just hit home, and it'll lead you right back to it. And then you can do a training thing onto it. So not that I'm going to, we're going to do like training plan, and you want to ride Wednesday, you could set it for Wednesday, and you just hit find a course, and you set your course. So it's pretty cool how they work. And then here's the calendar, and that's training, history, notifications, weather. So weather-wise, it's here. So if you go here, you can just swipe down, and no matter like where you have it, it'll always show you your weather. So that's really cool. And then it's here. So since it's green, I'm pretty sure that means it's charging. So it's at 66 using the thing. Yeah, because it was at 65 earlier. So you always know it's working when it has that. So hope you guys like this video of Run Adventures. Hope you guys found the new Garmin 1040 interesting. So make sure that you guys share this with your friends, and And please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.